Hey everyone, I wish I had videotaped this entire recipe because it just turned out so darn good. I already had a little nibble of it and I just love it. So I'm gonna slice it up. Okay, let's slice this up. This is, I'm just calling it a Mexican seitan roast. And this is a pretty basic seitan recipe. The real difference is I put 2 packets of taco seasoning right into my wet mix. And it has the greatest flavor and wonderful texture. And I'm going to put the recipe down below in the description box. So if you want to see exactly how I made it, it was super easy. It's a nice firm texture. You could pulse this up in your food processor and turn it into like a ground beef for tacos. I'm just going to slice it up thinly and put it right inside a burrito. So there you have it. This is my Mexican roast. See you guys next time.